In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling products on Wix 2026 guide. First, let's open the site you want to sell from. Log into your Wix account, pick the website you want to manage, and click Edit Site in the top right to launch the Wix editor. Everything I'm showing here uses the default Wix editor, not Wix Studio. So if your screen looks different, make sure you're in the standard editor. Next, we'll add the e-commerce tools you need. On the left-hand panel of the editor, click Add Apps to open the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type Wix Stores and select Install. Wix will set up the essentials for you automatically, a shopping cart icon and the core store pages, including a catalog and product page. This saves you time and ensures your store uses Wix's built-in layouts that work well on desktop and mobile. Now let's go manage your products. Exit the editor to return to your main Wix dashboard. From there, open Catalog, then click Products. You'll see a few placeholder items. These are just examples. You can delete them or use them to practice while you get comfortable with the layout. To add something real, click the New Product button in the top right. Choose whether you're selling a physical product that ships or a digital product that customers download. Give your item a clear, memorable title and upload high-quality images or short videos that show the product accurately. Good lighting and consistent backgrounds make a big difference. In the description, explain exactly what the customer gets, highlight key features or benefits, and keep it simple and scannable so buyers can make a quick decision. Set your pricing next. Enter your price, and if you're running a promotion, toggle on sale to display the discounted price. If it makes sense for your item, like materials sold by weight or length, you can show price per unit to give customers more clarity. Before you publish, configure inventory. Turn on inventory tracking so Wix can automatically update stock levels as orders come in. Add a stock keeping unit or SKU to uniquely identify the product for easier management later. If your offer is recurring, such as a monthly digital download or a replenishment item, you can set it up as a subscription so customers are billed on a schedule. When everything looks good, click Save. Your product is added to your catalog, and if your site is already published, it's ready for customers to buy on your live Wix site. Take a moment to preview the product page and make sure images, descriptions, and pricing look exactly how you want. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and